Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are experiencing issues with Suno AI and need to get in touch with their support team, you are in the right place. Today, I will show you the most direct and updated methods to contact Suno AI Support and resolve your issues quickly. The most effective way to reach the official support team is through email. For general support inquiries, account recovery, or technical issues, simply send an email to support@suno.com. When writing your email, be sure to include the email address associated with your Suno account and provide a clear description of the problem. If you have screenshots, attach them to help the team understand your issue faster. If your problem is related to payments, subscriptions, or refunds, Suno has a dedicated billing team. You can reach them directly by emailing billing@suno.com. This ensures your request goes straight to the financial department without unnecessary delays. Before sending an email, you might want to check the official Suno Help Center at help.suno.com. They have a comprehensive database of articles that cover the most common issues, from login problems to understanding credits and usage rights. A quick search there can often solve your problem instantly. Finally, if you are looking for tips, tricks, or peer-to-peer advice, the Suno Discord community is incredibly active. While it is not an official support channel, many experienced users and moderators are there to help you navigate the platform. That covers the current and most reliable ways to contact Suno AI. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more quick and professional tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.